Hello everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima. Welcome to LiveLaw. You all are aware of the matter pertaining to the challenge to abrogation of Article 370, a step which was taken in the year 2019 on August 5. The batch of petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370 is being heard in the Supreme Court presently, and the petitioner's side has already completed their arguments. We have created a series of videos in which the arguments have been covered. Do check them out to have a clearer understanding of the matter. In this video, we'll cover Senior Advocate Mr. Dinesh Dwivedi's arguments on the 14th day of hearing in the case. Senior Advocate Mr. Dinesh Dwivedi made an argument that monarchy is dead and the petitioners are banking on a sinking crown. Mr. Dwivedi asserted that the power provided under the substantive part of Article 370 Clause 3 could not be construed to mean that if the proviso lapses, the constituent power provided to the President also lapses. He added, and I quote, "Yes, the proviso is a limitation so long as the J&K Constituent Assembly is alive. Its death does not mean the death of the main power." He countered the arguments made by the petitioners concerning federalism and asserted that the constitution framers wanted equal federalism for all the states, and that was the basic structure of the constitution, not asymmetry, difference or diversity, which all happened on account of special conditions of particular areas. He argued that any difference of power that was founded on special conditions could never be permanent because the moment the conditions changed, those provisions had to change as well. He added that the President had not taken the decision of abrogation on his own and had taken the whole of Parliament into confidence. In his arguments, Mr. Dwivedi also contended that there was no residuary sovereignty left with J&K as alleged by the petitioners. He stated that if the argument of the petitioners that residuary sovereignty, remnant sovereignty and internal sovereignty remain in J&K was accepted, then the same would be extremely potent. Mr. Dwivedi also made an argument that J&K Constituent Assembly did not enjoy freedom that the Indian Constituent Assembly had. As per him, while framing of the J&K Constitution, the J&K Constituent Assembly did not enjoy the same freedom that the Constituent Assembly of India had, as it was bound by various things. He listed the bounds on the J&K Constituent Assembly, which you can read about on our website. The link to the article is given in the description box. Mr. Dwivedi also made an argument regarding the methodology of the J&K Constituent Assembly. He said, and I quote, "This methodology of the J&K Constituent Assembly is very akin to juristic concept of devolution of powers." He added that it is a form of administrative decentralization and stated that this concept was frequently applied in the United Kingdom, where the Parliament of UK was considered to be supreme, but other states such as Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales had their own parliaments. He elaborated, and I quote, "So it does not matter that you call it Sadr Riyasat, Chief Minister, Governor. The stature does not expand by these expressions. The stature depends on nature of power exercised. It does not equate with the nature of power of the Prime Minister of India, even if you call it Prime Minister." He also added that the idea of having a Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir emanated from the Government of India itself. Concluding his arguments, Mr. Dwivedi remarked, "It is surprising that my friends on the right, wedded to democracy, are seeking permanence based on a crown which is long gone. The king is dead, long live the king. You don't have to exceed or execute a document for the purpose of becoming units. The preamble, Articles 1 and 5, fundamental rights, all those make the republic. Without it, there is no republic." That's all about it for today. We hope you like our content. If you do, please like and share our videos. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.